start. Since its launch in 2008, the Indian Premier League has largely remained a summer fix with its share of pulsating thrills and big money stop. But these are extraordinary times when a virus has extended its stifling grip across the globe for more than a year, and while COVID 19 rages through a second wave in India, the IPL is back with its 14th edition that will commence at Chennai's M.A. Chidambaram Stadium on Friday, with defending champion Mumbai Indians taking on Royal Challengers Bangalore stop. The previous tournament, much delayed on due to the pandemic, had concluded at Dubai on November 10 last year stop. After a 5 months gap, the latest version rolls in with its share of 60 matches in a schedule that stretches all the way to May 30 stop. Meanwhile, the virus continues to influence logistics, and with bio bubbles being the norm, the matches will be initially played at empty venues stop. The other new development is the idea of neutral venues, a move necessitated by the need to reduce travel so that every squad stays in a specific city for at least a fortnight stop, with cities such as Hyderabad, Mohali, and Jaipur missing out as hosts. It was felt that their respective home units, Sunrisers Hyderabad, Punjab Kings, and Rajasthan Royals, needed a level playing field, and that was achieved by propping up neutral venues for all rivals. Stop para. It is a thread that goes all the way to the playoffs and final, which would be held in Ahmedabad, a city that does not have an IPL outfit. Stop. If the immediate context is about playing sport in the times of the coronavirus, the larger goal for the players would be to also use this IPL as a stage of finesse their skills well, well in time for the T20 World Cup in India during October-November this year. Stop. The current build-up that included hotel quarantines, gradual training, and news about a few players and support staff testing positive for COVID 19 may not have been ideal, but all the Scots are keen to get on the turf and play, even if excited fans and their acoustic support would be missed. Stop. Besides its obvious stardust, the IPL is equally about an unsung player grabbing attention and whinging his way into the national squad. T. Natarajan and Suryakumar Yadav, to name just two, have done that in recent times. Stop. And for the nostalgically inclined, it is also a space to watch the likes of MS Dhoni and AB de Villiers playing their wares. Stop. Neutral grounds that negate home advantage and a virus in the air to make a strange mix. But this is a new normal, but an event that has previously adjusted to 3 general elections and a couple of overseas deviations. Stop.